quick fishing rod review. One of my favorite brands, St. Croix, MOJO, cork handle, all the way through and through to the buttstock. So, quick review of the St. Croix rod. My favorite model is going to be the 7'6". Once you test out a couple of different kinds, different lengths, 8-foot to 7-footers, you'll find out that 7'6" would be the perfect match for your inshore fishing. You can go medium, medium heavy, all the way up to heavy. These rods are going to go through the test of time and the test of fish. Longevity and the backbone of them are very strong and sensitive at the same time. Go to your nearest shop or hit us up at Get Hook Tackle. Give it a try. Enjoy. Get on out there and get after it, y'all.